Hello there. Try to support me by subscribing my channel. I'll continue my lesson from the last lesson. In today's lesson 1 to 8, moving files and folders on computer. There are several methods available to move computer files and folders, directories, from one source or level to another, like that of copying a file or folder on a computer. It's possible to move or it's possible to perform an operation cut paste in a computer, not only in computer, in related digital systems. Suppose you want to move your files from flash disk to computer at all. On such occasion, you have to use the operation cut paste. Cut paste means an operation, in short, moving. In case of copy paste means an operation, in short, duplicating. In case of moving files, you will not have a file on source. It generally moves to the destination. When moving files or folders, only one copy of the file is moved, it says. If more than one copy of the files are needed, copy the files instead of move them, it says. If you want to have a copy of file, both in flash disk or external disk and in your hard disk, you have to copy paste rather than performing an operation cut paste. In Windows, it says you can move files using several methods. What are the methods to move your files? Cut paste, the first method. Drag drop is possible by drag and drop using the left side mouse button. Use the move to folder command under home tab on Windows 10. Below are the steps used in different methods option to move files in Windows. In Windows, choose the options that work best for usage. Note, you can also select multiple files and move multiple files at once using any of the steps below. Why we select multiple files at once? We have to save our time. On the use of any digital system, we have to choose the shortest path that saves our time. Therefore, you have to select multiple files by using Control with click or Shift with click. Control with click, it helps us to select random selection. The first, the third, the fifth, and like that. If you want to select continuous files from, for instance, from 1 to 6, select the first file, then holding down Shift key, then click on the last item. It helps you to select continuous files. If you want to select all files, for instance, under a specific flash disk, you have to use Control plus A. It helps you to select all. Then you can perform the operation cut paste or you can drag and drop. Option 1, cut and paste. To move files using cut and paste method. Select the always we have to tell the digital system by selecting the file you want to copy or you want to move or you want to rename. In any of way, whether you on the way you are selecting a, creating a document or in the use of Windows in any operation, we have to tell the digital systems what you want to do. First, select the file you want to move. What the need of selecting? We are on the way telling the digital system to perform some operation on that specific file. The second option, right click the highlighted file or the selected file. Then, when you right click always, you will have additional options or list of commands. From the list of commands, then select cut, browse to the folder you want to move the file to. After clicking the cut, we have to move or we have to go to the destination and on the destination folder, right click method, then paste. Not be difficult. Let me demonstrate you practically. You have here an Upwork folder, right click finished. Simply right click, cut. Then come to here grade 9 folder, then right click paste. You can use also Control X, first selecting the file, then Control X, then minimize, Control V on the desktop area. It helps you to move, to move. Now if you check grade 9 folder, it is empty. Why? You have only one copy of file. I mean, already the moved file to the destination will be kept. You will not have on the source. May not be difficult as such. What about the other method? The drag and drop. To move files and folders using the drag and drop method, highlight the file you want to move, it says. First you have to highlight, then press and hold the right mouse button, it says. Drag and drop where you want to move. When you release the pause, menu appears, select move here option to move the files, it says. It's possible to use in the case of to move from one drive to another, the left side of mother. In the case of on the specific drive, you can move a specific file from one place to another. For instance, using right click method, then drag and drop. Now release on the desktop. Move to desktop, it says. Release it. Then move here. You have to choose move here. Now the file is moved here from the work folder. But on the left side, when you use the left mouse button, drag drop, it is possible to move again from one drive on the same drive. It's possible to move. But in the case of drivers, when you use a left side of mouse button and drag drop, it rather copy paste. It's not moves. You have to be careful here. The other method, under File Explorer, move to and copy to options are there under Home tab. Just first selecting the file, locating the file, then under Home tab, move to, then where you want to move, you have to select the destination. Where you want to copy, you have to select the destination again. Not such as difficult. For today is enough. Try to motivate me by subscribing my channel.